Can sound actually kill you? The answer is yes, under the right conditions. Sound is just vibration. At normal levels, it's harmless. But when those vibrations get insanely powerful, they can literally tear the human body apart. At around 150 decibels, your ears start to feel pain. 170 decibels? Your eardrums can rupture. But here's where it turns deadly. Over 185 to 200 decibels, sound waves become strong enough to damage organs, collapse lungs, and cause internal bleeding. That's because extremely loud sound creates pressure waves that hit your body like an invisible punch. Explosions, rocket launches, and massive industrial blasts can produce these lethal levels. And here's the crazy part. A sound weapon called the sonic boom cannon was once experimented with, capable of producing shockwaves strong enough to incapacitate people from a distance. So, can sound kill you? Yes, but only at extreme levels you'll almost never encounter in everyday life.